Welcome everybody and Happy New Year. This will be a dual post video. I'm going to put it on both Biker GoPro and GoProJoe. And I just wanted to wish everyone a Happy New Year and welcome to the channel. If you haven't seen my other channel, I'll leave a link down below to both GoProJoe and Biker GoPro. Okay, I hope this upcoming year to maybe post a few videos more often, help the channel grow a little bit. So if you're on one channel and you want to check out the other one, go ahead. Yeah, on the GoProJoe channel, we're still going to be doing a lot of drone flights, and once the weather turns nicer, we'll be doing some videos in the car, taking some trips, and just videos in general. And on the Biker GoPro, I hope to be doing some different rides and keep you updated on what's going on in the biking. This white one right behind me, the single speed, I think I'm going to sell it. That's a single speed road bike, and I'm going to try and find a single speed mountain bike. I had one once before, something with 26-inch tires, and I can ride both on and off road. And of course I still have all my other bikes, and we have 5 bikes right now we ride. So I just wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, help the channel grow. Maybe add a couple comments once in a while. That'll help me. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what I can do better, how I can improve my videos, and what you might want to see on here. Thanks a lot.